Social activist and Garo Students' Union President of Bagmara, Shri Granat Sangma, expressed shock and surprise at failure of the MDA government to keep its promise. The student leader said that South Garo Hills is the most neglected and backward district in the state. The MDA government had promised earlier that its priority was to improve education in the entire state. But more than 4 years have passed. The conditions of the school in this district is in a sorry state of affairs. The student leader listed down some schools that were in dilapidated condition that need immediate repairs, but the Department of Education paid little attention in spite of several requests and reminders. One of the most damaged school building in South Garo Hills is Balkam Asim Deficit Upper Primary School. The school building has been damaged by cyclone and hailstorm in March this year. The GSU and the school authority have submitted memorandum to the Minister of Education, but it fell in the deaf ears. There are other schools in the district that need urgent repairs and renovation, like Dogre Government LP School, Banagre Government LP School, Mindigre Ad Hoc Secondary School, but the government failed to carry out its duty and left the children study in the damaged school buildings. Shri Sangma further said, students in many schools in this district attended schools where there are no teachers. He said that about 50 schools have no teachers. He also said in many schools, teachers in the district do not attend their duties. There is no inspection from officers of the education department in the district.
Government school school building video photo ya school na aro school gisnina government na memorandum ko application ko natasi nga director na SDCO na ke chief minister na education minister ko copy ko na nga hazagini chigini ne follow khainga debat ano kung ba ya school building brand ko gisana mong bangkuja ya ME school yan area the matni inon functional watna means mo ba program na means mo ba no watsa kaya longen area ni manderang ni chief strong longen posto onginya host kana gata nake LP school ang area the matni ko ni means mo ne gesa school ba renovation mamang government renovation ang mamang repairing rang dongja nake student ang namen ning nikani ko maninga so school ko strong gijang pa sekurang donga jekai rompa asem government LP school palkhala asem government LP school gara sungatal government LP school ariche dokre government LP school bagangre government LP school yang gamakan school tung dagai gamakan proposal ko nata hachu application ko seta hachu debat anu mam government ni respond ko jani kya bisa reminder onen ba director ko bronga na director akan saka tadi nangni proposal gamakon government na barat na hani biya na men kadongin 좀 ngomong ba dano ko mamung sukbaja nage patangaman sumayo sa tourist gemeko teacherang ba chunjane siam ki kondutok sekurang ko cepaha bersisa matam ko bersigini rang na cepaha nage teacher dongsang jani geman matam sekolah saksut pribonga matam sekolah saksut tokang student nang bersigemak teacher gri sekolah naman dia dongani zamano anga wa school ge kondutok ko unisin ba nga watataha nagi uni jamano anga facilist ba hataha antisa ningi sepo teacher ang ko ino pila pa jangi chimo ngode anga school authority ni kosako anga FIR ka gen nimna anga siata ngi ko antisa ni ngi sepo na uno jirangan patang sumayo therme ka achim teacher ang warang uni ko bisong ki ko rutok school ang ngilis on atul kon moton pila pa ha ini jamano tao bangga sekolah tentang sekolah tu sobri rango jika mijau tentang sekolah ini supaya teacher dongsan hijab barang lagi sekolah tongjan baksana teacher ang batongja lagi ya region ko sandingin cimo ngode heda bisongi STCO nya kaca kalau tadi bisong gamak school teacher dong hijab mon sakrak te bisong watata cina teacher angko deba ya teacher ang appoint kani zaman ode director ci anggian sabai MLA ci anggian sabai minister ci anggian takin ba bisong antang-tang transfer kaya ramen ma bade bas kurang ode teacher dongjengan dia akan cakap tapi je bongbo nyatin cimo ode government ni feel wani ko tingat nak taman na mana namin kadung acem ye government na education ko top priority rakhe bisong ani gaman Niba batis nam jabat ka ba ubos na suka hektan ka mana banga teacher ko galani sel taw takin na school ko chpani sel nga ni kanina ko sungni nok man jangan ni kaniko man nga ni man angni mol molatani government ko school authority ko ngi mol molatani kasa pa ay school ko visit kan ba bano teacher donga dongja aro batia school building donga dongja yang ko niro ke takani simani khamunga nega changsangali kha director sia tingachum ya school inspector ni bidingo taw ye school inspector ngara atang thangni role kon wijamai ngara skangode inspector namen school ko visit ka achum namen niro ka achum surprise visit ko takachum banoba school ka ama ka jama ko kuma ko niro ka ni ya inspector ni khamchum debat aude complain ka ani jamanu mangba ya official ko school nari patna ka taninga ini tuh di biswara antang thangni role kon wijama school inspector ni thora maya kon wijama nige nga director na siya taha nige badia ba school ko beben teacher ni school ka tik mijani rang badong wana kapag magrang man gopya nga ya official ni ko sako complain ko siya taha nige man yarang ko suspend ka rang de chungjan ni permanent ni akba ni duty ni grek akba mande rang ko de permanently yang ko de terminate ka langan ko complain ba siya taha na simang letrang ko ni dinok nang ngen ni man ya sanang yang ni